Tell me, क्या plan है मैम आपका?
I want to get rid of all the brassiness and I'm just looking for something more warm and easy maintenance. I live abroad in the US, so something that's just easy to work with, something that I don't need to keep coming back to get done. Just looking for something that can get rid of all the dead hair, and I'm not a big fan of the blonde anymore, so I just want to go more natural and maybe one color.
Okay, so basically you're looking for very rich color. You don't like the golden tones what you have right now, huh?
Yeah.
I think you get it done 3 months before, yeah,
Yeah, a
4 months
few
before.
months. Yeah, 4 months
Right.
ago.
So my recommendation is don't go for any highlights right now. You can go for a single global color. Give you more richness, combination of warm and cool browns, a single tone all over the top. So what we can do, we can go for little lighter on the top and darker on the bottom. We can create a very healthy brown color and without any bleach.
Yes.
Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Can we start?
Sure. I absolutely love it. It looks so much more healthy and I look so much more youthful. I really like the color.
So this is basically healthy look, more natural, definitely matching with your skin tone and more glossy also, huh?
Yes. I think this is going to be very easy to maintain now.
Yeah, and it's not give you any dryness.
Yeah.
Don't go for too much heat on your hair, and always using a heat protection serum, yeah, cream
Okay.
before any blow dry and all.
Got
Yeah,
it. Yes. Thank you. So
done.
good. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It looks
Thank you.
amazing.